Royale. Welcome to room 503. This is our room at Blanc. When you walk in, you have your Lavazza coffee maker. I feel like I'm just gonna redo everything that Danny from Hard Travel does. You got your liquor cabinet. Mm-hmm. You got your complimentary bottle of wine that hopefully can be changed out for something other than red, because red gives us wicked migraines. Here's all of our coffee options and all of our snacky options. Yes.
Excellent.
And a water. And more waters in the fridge, and some Modelo's, and some Pina, and some Corona Lights. Just, to get the party started. Got bubbly waters for me.
Oh, they got a COVID kit.
Yep, they got the little, that's what I was looking at. They got a little COVID kit. It's got some wipes, a little bottle of hand sanitizer, and 2 masks for us. We brought a bunch though. There's your bottle of wine. The only reason that everything is so misty is because we opened the window. We got Rose. We got Rose and Slippies. And an umbrella for the beach. And enough to hold a laptop.
We can hold both laptops in there.
And slippers, shoe bags, laundry stuff. We're gonna be here for a week.
Steamer? No steamer?
No steamer. Steamer's in the next category.
What else we got?
And shoes. We got the shower, and a shower mat, and your Bulgari amenities. Also, look at this fun little sponge. It's to dry your bags too.
Yeah.
I'm so into that. I want one of those in my shower.
Alright.
There's a fancy shower. It's got a big rainforest head, a 1-2, and then a wash and wand. So you can wash your bits. Your bits and your pits. Toilet, unfortunately, no bidet. Nice cozy mat here. 4 washcloths, like they knew I was coming. A fun fact, I use 2 washcloths a day. Every day.
Every day.
Oh, there's an amenities box in here?
What?
Dang. A dental kit, just in case you forgot your toothbrush.
Uh-oh, a dental kit that you dropped.
That's okay.
It's boxed up. It's boxed up.
Box set. Toothbrushes, and then a shaving kit. That's nice.
Yeah.
That was not a part of the room tour hard travel. Blow dryer. Straightener. Because, as you can see, it's humidity
Yeah.
here.
And also there's a scale down here, but we're not going to bring out that evil.
This thing is bolted down, so
good.
You can't lose it while we're done. This is, they brought like a little luggage rack. They already brought us we've been in our room for like 4 minutes.
Yeah, our room was ready.
Yeah.
So.
This thing I think is the coolest. It's illuminated underneath the table, and then both of us have bedside drawers. This is going to be my side.
Talk about the plugs there?
Yeah, the plugs. And then you got lighting controls next to the bed. You got USB, all kinds of plugs. A nice big TV.
I'd say that was a 65-inch.
Lots of drawers.
Lots of drawers.
We're gonna unpack. Maybe we'll show you like once we're all moved in. That'll probably be later on tonight that we do that. Little writing desk with aromatherapy and our 2 empty glasses that we already use. Same thing on the other side. Look at this cozy pad for your feet.
Yeah, the bathroom mat,
Yeah,
the bedside mat.
like a memory foam.
It's comfy. Phone. Got your plugs over here as well.
Your WhatsApp to contact your butlers.
WhatsApp there. Phone. Stationery.
Mm-hmm.
And we're gonna have to put some towels down here.
Oh, for sure. be much easier with not socks on. And the reason we rented, the reason we got this room in particular. They just resurfaced it. I didn't know if it was like old soap.
Okay.
It smells clean in here. Like it smells like they use the ionizer in here.
Mm-hmm.
It smells nice. So fancy jacuzzi bathtub that we'll be using per day.
Every day. Several times a day.
A little. This is probably where we're gonna have breakfast most days because room service is included.
Don't mind the purse and stuff.
And
then
our Juliet balcony, and then they have the 3rd floor pool over here. This is the ice cream shop that we can see more.
yeah. So ice cream is served there. That's where you get your pool towels, I think, over there. Jacuzzi is right over there.
This is the big pool.
That's a big pool here.
And there's a pool on the other side, I think.
There's a swim up bar. That's at the other resort. That's not our resort. And then we have the 3rd floor pool right there. And then that's Terraza, right? Terraza.
Yep.
Sorry.
And then you can see the little one sign from our room.
And then, are we gonna be able to pick that up? Yeah, I can pick that up.
And then this is the ocean.
And then in the morning, it's just gonna be all blue waters out there.
Yes.
That's our room tour.
That's it. That was a quick one.
So, what category is this again?
This is the honeymoon suite, or the Royal Honeymoon Suite, according to you.
Royal Honeymoon.
We talked about maybe upgrading to a. I'm just gonna close this so we can keep our pool air in.
Okay.
We talked about maybe upgrading to a junior suite, but it was gonna be like an additional 170 per night. Which would have been fine, but I really wanted a bathtub that I could look out at the water from. That's like literally is my ultimate dream.
We got it.
So that's it.
This has been our room tour of Blanc here in Cancun. Royal Honeymoon Suite.
Or just the honeymoon suite.
Thank you for watching. Be sure and check out our other room tours or check out the room tour playlists of all the other places that we've stayed.
Also, if there's something that we're not showing you that you want to see, like things, I want to see things. That's it. We're going to splash some water on our face and get ready for dinner.
Yep. So thank you for watching. Be sure and watch the other ones. Be sure and also to like, comment, subscribe
Be kind, be safe.
to the Exploring Yeti. Again, we gotta work on this outro.
Be kind, be safe.
Be kind and be safe. Have a good night, everyone.
Good night.